Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2014 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited. It's in Harley orange with black with the nice red pinstriping. It's loaded up with options. It's got some nice pipes on it. It's got, those are the Screaming Eagle pipes. It's got the luggage rack on the back. Inside you've got the luggage liners in both the top and the bottom. You've also got the toolkit, and all of the books are with the bike. It comes with a rider backrest, which is very comfortable. It comes with a rider's coffee cup. It comes with the rider's sunglass holder in the windshield there. And of course, as it was a complete redesign in 2014, it's got the new fairing, the new water-cooled engine, the 103 cubic inch water-cooled. It comes with the new lower fairings that are redesigned. The upper fairing is redesigned, and then this one actually has the factory navigation, so pretty darn cool. It's got the Daymaker headlights, the bullet style turn signals. It's got highway pegs with the crash bars. Good rubber on it. It's ready to go. So this has the vent in it so that you can get vent through the bike. It's got heated grips. You've got the chromed out mirrors, the painted black inner fairing, and the inside the side bags, of course, you have the liners as well, and locking up. Nice chromed rear pegs as well. The boards have the chrome on them. And then the inners inside the box liners also have the chrome on them. Lots of nice features. If you had to buy a regular bike and load it up like this, it would cost a fortune. So this is a beautiful bike, well maintained, local trade-in. When I say local, it was a friend of ours who lived in Calgary, and they traded it in. We shipped it out here. It's got 64,312 kilometers. This customer was able to put on 250,000 kilometers on another bike. So this 64 is nothing. This is like brand new. So of course it comes with all the stuff. I'm just going to show you here. There's your radio. There's your navigation. It's going to load up in a second. While it does that, I'll go over here and show you. This is for your CB, your squelch, and etc. Your information, your turn signals. This is for starting. Over here is your cruise control and your volume buttons, and then your headlights up here, your horns over here, chrome brake cover there. Just fabulous. So navigation is still not ready, so we'll move to starting it. Click this. So now it's going to show me. There's the map. And there's your factory navigation. Set it all up and away you go. So not too loud a pipe, just nice, lots of lights on it to keep you safe. And the LED lights, running like a top, well maintained always. Of course, this customer was certain to make sure the bike was ready to go anytime he wanted to go. Utah, wherever, he just rode. BC, etc. The chrome's in great shape. It's not been pitted. It's been well washed and gloved. And those are higher mirrors so that you can see. He was a pretty tall guy. You need to be able to see when you're riding. And so again, it was well maintained, well loved, never been dropped, never down. Just a fabulous bike. So there you have it, folks. Right color and everything. There it is. It's available here at MunroMotors.com. That's a 2014 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited, loaded up and ready to ride. So come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. But hey, make an appointment, please. Look forward to seeing you real soon.